In this video, I'll show you how to customize ERPNext to better fit your business needs. First, log in and navigate to the Customize Form option. You can find it quickly by typing Customize Form in the search bar, or go through Settings, then Customization, then Customize Form. Next, select the doc type you want to customize, like a sales invoice, customer, or item form. Click Fetch to load the current layout and fields. Now it's time to modify or add fields. Scroll to the Fields section and click Add Row. Set the label, choose the field type like Data, Select, or Date, and decide where it should appear using Insert After. You can also set it as mandatory, read-only, or hidden to control functionality. Once done, click Save at the top right and reload the form to see your changes. And that's it. You've successfully customized your ERPNext forms to match your workflow and boost efficiency.